So the advantage of the online longitudinal assessment to satisfy the Part 3 requirement in continuing certification is that it's inherently flexible, and it's based on what we call walking around knowledge, which is the kind of thing that individuals should bring to the workplace every day because they know it, not because they had to study it immediately before answering a question, but because they use it in their day-to-day practice. For that reason, we value the online longitudinal assessment more than we do the continuing certification exam for satisfying Part 3, the knowledge and cognitive assessment portion of continuing certification. Now, one of the advantages to the continuing certification exam is for some people, if you prefer to study and prepare around the body of knowledge that constitutes the domain in your discipline within the radiological sciences, perhaps the continuing certification exam is preferred. But for most of us, it would be about your practice and what you bring to work, as I say, every day in terms of the skills and knowledge that you need when you're treating patients or otherwise working in the care environment. The other advantage of the online longitudinal assessment is that it has a formative function in addition to an assessment or summative function. So on the one hand, we want to make sure that ABR diplomates are knowledgeable and skilled in the art of the discipline that they practice. On the other hand, we'd like to give an opportunity to those same diplomates to improve their practice by identifying knowledge gaps and by addressing them. So one of the advantages of OLA, as opposed to the continuing certification exam, is immediate feedback on performance. And for those areas where you answer a question incorrectly, as I do from time to time, I get to learn from that experience via the rationale that's provided and the reference if I want to pursue further. In addition, we will then ask a similar question, not the same, but a similar question on that topic to make sure that you've closed that knowledge gap. And I personally benefit from this, and many of our diplomates feel the same way, that there is a value in terms of both the assessment function and the formative function to make us better at what we do.